What's up, everyone? It's your boy Nate Breeze. This time I'm using my natural voice. Yes, I'm Trinidadian American. Hear that? Happy now? A little inside joke. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, whichever browser you prefer. Click in the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where we'll type the website address. Type in blender.org, then press enter or return on your keyboard. This will take you to the official Blender website. You'll see a large blue button that says Download, usually displayed near the top of the page. Go ahead and click the Download button. Now you're on the download page. Blender is usually good at detecting which operating system you're using: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. You should see a large download button that says something like Download Blender, version number, and indicates the correct operating system. If it's correct, click the button to start the download. If Blender didn't detect your operating system correctly, look just below the main download button. You'll see smaller links for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Click the link that corresponds to your computer's operating system. If you have a Mac, click Mac OS. This will take you to a page with the correct download for your system. Then, click the download button on that page. Once you click the correct download button, the Blender installer will start downloading. It's a reasonably large file, so the download time will depend on your internet speed. It might take a few minutes. Before we get into the actual program, it's important to understand what Blender is and what it can be used for. Blender allows you to unleash your creativity and design stunning visuals, from breathtaking movies and video games to captivating architectural renderings. This image showcases the incredible power and potential of Blender. Look at the futuristic city, the flying vehicles, the neon lights. It's a true feast for the eyes. Blender is free to use, which means anyone can access these powerful 3D creation tools and bring their wildest ideas to life. I'm excited to dive deeper into how Blender is revolutionizing the way we design, animate, and create. Let's get started. Modeling is about more than just creating basic shapes. It's about bringing your ideas to life through a variety of techniques. Sculpting allows you to get hands on and create intricate organic forms using Blender's powerful sculpting tools and brushes. Retopology is the process of turning high polygon sculpts into optimized low poly meshes, which is essential for creating visually appealing and performant characters and objects. Blender's curve tools go beyond traditional polygons, enabling you to create smooth, flowing lines for characters, objects, and even entire environments. Blender is an incredibly powerful tool for bringing your creative visions to life. With its intuitive animation tools, you can breathe life into your models with realistic movement, expressions, and dynamic effects. The rigging capabilities allow you to create a skeleton and muscles that control the movement of your characters, enabling them to interact with their environment. And the grease pencil tool gives you the ability to create stunning storyboards, concept art, and even full animations directly within Blender. These features make Blender a truly versatile platform for bringing your creative ideas to the next level. Blender's rendering capabilities allow you to create incredibly realistic and detailed 3D scenes. Cycles is Blender's physically based renderer, delivering stunning photorealistic results through advanced lighting, materials, and effects. Eevee is Blender's real-time renderer, providing instant feedback as you work, making it great for quick iterations, game development, and interactive experiences. You can seamlessly switch between Eevee and Cycles, leveraging the strengths of each renderer to meet your specific needs. Next, we'll cover three key capabilities that make Blender a go-to tool for visual effects. Camera tracking. Seamlessly integrate 3D elements into your video footage by tracking the motion of cameras and objects. Masking. Isolate specific areas of your image or video using advanced masking tools, enabling precise compositing and effects. Compositing. Combine multiple images, videos, and 3D elements into a single, breathtaking scene using Blender's robust compositing system. This slide introduces the key areas of 3D simulation that we'll be covering today: fluids, particles, and rigid bodies. Fluid simulation allows us to create realistic effects like water, smoke, and fire that move and interact with their environment in a natural way. Particle simulation is great for generating dynamic effects like rain, snow, and explosions by simulating the movement of individual particles. Rigid body physics lets us simulate collisions and interactions between solid objects, creating realistic reactions and dynamic scenes. We'll dive deeper into each of these simulation techniques and see how they can be used to enhance 3D projects. Blender is an incredibly powerful and flexible 3D software, allowing users to go far beyond the standard capabilities. One of Blender's key strengths is its scripting capabilities. You can access and control every tool and feature using Python. This allows you to customize your workflow, create your own custom tools, and automate repetitive tasks to boost your productivity. Blender's user interface, shortcuts, and even the overall workflow can be fully customized to suit your specific needs and preferences. This level of customization is essential for tailoring the software to your individual working style. Blender also benefits from a vibrant and supportive community of users who share their creations, provide help and support, and share their knowledge and insights. Tapping into this community can be a great way to learn, get inspired, and take your Blender skills to the next level. Download the latest version of Blender for free from blender.org. It's a powerful 3D creation suite that's completely free and open source. Explore the extensive tutorials and resources available on blender.org and other online communities to learn the software and get inspiration for your own projects. Start building your own 3D creations and unleash your artistic potential. Blender has a huge range of tools and features to help you bring your ideas to life, from modeling and animation to rendering and compositing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with new tutorials. The works featured in the video were done by me in Blender to give you ideas on what can be done. The sky is the limit. One love.